Welcome to Journey JavaFX. This is the season 2 episode number 8. In this episode, we're gonna consume we're gonna create our own model, which is called story, and using that insert method to consume this model. So yeah, let's get ready to it. Okay, this is where we left from last episode. So then we are going to replace all of this with our model, right? So let's go back to our test bench. So for now, we're gonna create a we're gonna create a new instance of our model. To do that, it's pretty simple. Let's say model dot story equals to new model dot story, and this is the constructor. We need to pass in all those values, right? Let's do a control P. The first value is ID. The ID is unnecessary because in our database the ID is auto-generated, so we're gonna remove it. That was a mistake we made from previous episode. So this story model is here. Yeah, we're gonna take out this part. Now let's open it. ID part is gone. We don't need it. -1 problem. Okay, let's do another control P. It's date. The date, we're gonna say today, 2021, 12/22. And then it's a tag. Tag, we're gonna say, let's say my tag. And then the next one will be title. Let's say my title. The next one will be folder. Let's say my folder. It's just some dummy data. And the other one is hours. Let's say I don't know, 3.5. We work so hard. The next one will be HTML. Okay, let's say some HTML. Okay. Body, just simulate. It's kind of HTML, because we have that JSoup thing. It will extract all our contents for us. So let's say HTML, my content slash HTML. We just close it. This is a dummy one. Okay, let me make it slightly easier to read this. Okay, now it's well formatted. So we know here is the model. So the next one, we're gonna go back to our insert query. We gotta plug in our model, right? So how to passing it in? Passing 3 parameter. Let's say model dot what's it called? Story. Yeah, story. So this will be the passing in story model. What we're gonna do is here and say story dot get date, right? And for this tag, we're gonna say story dot get tag. And where are this coming from? It's kind of created by the setter and the getter. Remember when we working on that story model? So this one will be like, remember, the title, right? Story dot get title. And this one will be get folder, story dot get folder. And this one will be like story gets hours, get hour, right? And this one will be HTML, story dot get HTML. And the last one must be the content. This one I remember, story dot get content. Okay, so now the two things are connected. Let's do a test. Basically, we are expecting one more line of record. Do a refresh, nothing new, same as before. So let's run it. Oh, the insert one record, I forgot. Go back to our controller. We already have the model here. So we're gonna call this db dot insert dot one record. We're passing in this story object. So now we are expecting the record exactly like this in our database. Let's run it. Test. Let's check our log. Make sure the parameters are passing in. What happened? Oh, okay. Something wrong with my notepad, I guess. Okay, connection is good. Prepare this, all those parameters, and then yeah, looks like the soup works, right? Here is all our value for those question marks. Okay, close true, good. Now, yeah, we have it. Okay, it's quite simple, eh? With the help of our model, then we don't need to do those hard coding stuff every time. Prepare the whole string, right? So now we are utilizing the model. Okay, we achieved the goal for this episode. The next one, we're gonna do some update stuff, or we can try some UI design stuff. Yeah, now it's kind of pretty late, and I'm probably gonna do this tomorrow. All right, I'm gonna see you in the next one.